Okay, guys, so I know that something big is coming right here on newscrypto. Are you excited? Or are you freaking excited? I know you do, and so am I. But before that, here are the latest newscrypto shoutouts of the week. So we have Mac of Crypto, Zen Crypto 685, Victor Solomon 535, MD Adam Gear Hussein, OG Mayol, This is Mr. Roy, Link Juiced, Zays, Spunky JIE 32, and Vegetarian Mode. So guys, congratulations that your names are included for the current batch of shoutouts. And because of that, let's do the To The Moon Soon coming from yours truly.
To the moon soon, NWC, to the moon soon.
Okay, so let's head over to our main topic for today. So what's up, peeps? This is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and we're back once again for another newscrypto video where the platform is an already tested product used by the world's top traders that serves as an all-in-one crypto suite. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for all users, regardless of their current level of knowledge. The platform offers everything from automatic charting tools that help beginners understand the basics of technical analysis to advanced proprietary indicators for expert traders. So for more information, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at newscrypto.io and explore their one-of-a-kind platform for both crypto traders and enthusiasts from around the globe. And not only that, they also have a non-custodial mobile wallet and their next-generation mobile app, which can be downloaded by both Android and iOS users. Alright, so without further ado, let's head over to our main topic, shall we? Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about, in which newscrypto is announcing the 4-month bonanza. So this is going to be really exciting for us, peeps. So you can see the total prize pool, it's 1 million NWC, and the duration will be until the end of 2022. So if you want to know how it works, of course I'm going to scroll down right here. So I'm going to read the night quote. So they are thrilled to announce 4 months of exclusive rewards to celebrate an upcoming release of a new product that we've been working on for a long time. So they're giving away unique NWC awards every month until the end of 2022 with a combined value of 1 million freaking NWC. Wow, man, this is going to be really exciting for us. There will be 4 events, each lasting 1 month. So where you'll be able to win all these special prizes. So of course, here is the first event. How are we going to participate in it? So first, we head over to app.newscrypto.io/staking. The next, if you don't have an account, so just create one. But of course, if you already have one, so you can proceed with the next steps, in which you're going to stake your NWC token. So if you scroll down, so there are also some changes in the staking section. So the minimum staking requirements are now lowered to 200 USD.
Wow.
This is great news for all of you if you want to stake some NWC tokens. And now, how will the winners be selected? So in I quote, we've made a different way of giving the rewards for each month. Everything will be early enough announced through their official Twitter and Telegram. As already said, the first rewards will be given away in the end of September. And of course, you could see right here, for the first event, they're going to double the stake amount for 10 lucky people. If you fall to the higher bracket due to your NWC amount being doubled, your APY stays the same, and after your locking period ends, you will be able to get all of your coins and stake them again for a higher APY. Wow, this is really amazing. And of course, this is really important. People that stake for 1 year have a higher chance of winning the prize than stakers that lock their coins for 3 months, in which, guys, you have a 70% higher chance. So of course, you can now start staking, okay? So best of luck to all of the participants who want to take part of this opportunity by newscrypto.io. So guys, this is really brilliant for them to have this 4-month bonanza event, in which the total prize pool is 1 million NWC until the end of 2022. And of course, guys, you can see right here, they have already announced the first bonanza reward. So Congratulations to one's ace, okay? Your stake amount has been doubled. So 9 more winners to go in the first round as of this time in recording this video. You could see something important right here for newscrypto. So only tokens that were staked after the start of the Bonanza event are eligible for the rewards. So all tokens staked before the event doesn't qualify. And the next airdrop unlocking event will be announced very soon, so stay tuned for that. As far as staking event is concerned, you need to at least one stake the minimum amount of NWC tokens to participate in the event and be eligible for rewards until the end of 2022. So guys, let's look forward to this opportunity. And of course, feel free to follow the official Twitter account of newscrypto right here. And also the website and other social media channels. So I provided all of the source links right here on my YouTube description. And of course, just a reminder to all of you guys, if you want your names to be included in my next video shout out, all you have to do is to like this video and leave a comment so that I will be including you in my next batch of shout outs. So if you think that this video is so helpful, kindly share this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who are so enthusiastic about crypto trading and analysis. So guys, I have a question for you. What do you honestly think about this video that I have for you today? Do let me know right here in the comment section. Did you enjoy watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.